Hey guys, my name is Nathan Flanagan. I'm so excited to be showing you one of my newest flip projects right behind me on Highland. This property we just picked up. We haven't closed on it yet, but I've got a bunch of contractors here to start the process of when we take possession, what we're gonna do with it. So I decided this would be a great opportunity to kind of bring you guys along the journey, show you from A to Z how we do this and how we're gonna convert this property from a single detached home to a legal duplex. We might keep it, refinance it, or flip it. Unsure yet, but follow me guys and welcome to the journey. As you come down the stairs, this is gonna be our basement unit. You can imagine myself showering. As you can see, these are the boys in the natural habitat. Oh, I see. Look at that. Get to work! Okay? When we see slacking around Colin, pick up a paintbrush, do something, man!
I'm not playing around.